Good morning there everyone, and welcome to Trains at New Milton Railway Station. And to kick things off, we see the departure of 450-096, working the 1219 South Western Railway service from Bournemouth through to Winchester. Next in to arrive, we see the arrival of 450-020, working 1227 South Western Railway service from Southampton Central through to Bournemouth. Departing next from the station is 444-033 and 444-002, working the 1237 South Western Railway service from both Weymouth and Poole through to London Waterloo. Next arriving into the station is 444-022 and 450-008, working 1245 South Western Railway service from London Waterloo through to both Weymouth and Poole. Passing next fast through the station is 221121, working 1 bike 50 for cross country from Bournemouth through to Manchester Piccadilly. Whilst heading the opposite direction for cross country is 220024, working 1 Oscar 10 from Manchester Piccadilly through to Bournemouth. Also passing fast through the station for South Western Railways 444-020 and 444-037, working 1 Whiskey 18 from Bournemouth and Weymouth through to London Waterloo. Also next passing through the station 5 minutes late is 444-006 and 444-039, working 1 Whiskey 23 for South Western Railway from London Waterloo through to Weymouth. And here comes our train arriving in the form of 450-020, working the 1319 South Western Railway service from Bournemouth through to Winchester. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.